What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today is Thursday, December 21, 2023, and market is going crazy, guys. I am Chill Trader. Join me today. I will share with you some of the previous chart updates and, of course, trade updates. I think we are all in profit today. Yesterday, I have shared with you BNB, Blur, Bonk, ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin. And today Solana is going crazy as well. So let's go and check some of the charts. And of course, if you have any chart requests, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get into it.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, thank you guys for joining me today. We have first getting started, and also Solana is going crazy. Yeah, it's going crazy right now at number 5, top 5. And up by 10% actually today. Solana is up by 10% and up by 21% in the past 7 days. So if you have watched my previous stream, you know our final target for Solana, guys. All my fellas from Emmanuel. Thank you guys for joining me today. So Bonk is down by 10% today. Inch is also down by 4%, while Ego, or this is a pretty new coin here, and it is up today by 17%. So this is trending. This is on an uptrend, guys. So probably gonna see some rejection or resistance at around 0.047. So let's check what is happening with the crypto market. And if you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, so Bitcoin is, I think Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level yesterday. I've discussed with you very important resistance and daily candle close confirmation is at 44,500. I think we have closed below. That is why we are seeing the price seeing some correction today. So fear and greed index, guys, is still at 70, and market is still getting greedy. And I think this is going to continue until we see an approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF application from most of this large institution like BlackRock. ETH, how it is going. ETH is doing good today, and as what I've discussed yesterday, ETH on the weekly time frame is done with the process of retesting the previous resistance as a support. How about Dogi, IGU, and TERT? I'm not familiar with this. I think these are new coins and pretty small caps. So let's discuss first Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is what I've discussed yesterday. Daily candle closing above 44,500 will be our signal for a further move to the upside, while candle closing below might bring the price back to $43,000. So right now for Bitcoin, we are still trading within this range, guys. This will be our major resistance for Bitcoin, $44,500. And right now I am expecting a small consolidation here because we got rejected from this resistance level. And let's see, this will be our trading range for now for Bitcoin, guys. So we have a lot of altcoins, AKT and PETH for long term. Again, for long term, I would suggest, in my own opinion, to wait for a major correction, probably after the ETF approval. And I'm expecting a possible sell the news event for the Bitcoin spot ETF. So maybe probably that's the best time to accumulate for long term. For now, we are trading small ranges and we are riding the waves because of this speculation for spot Bitcoin ETF. And also, Bitcoin could actually hit 48,000 before the approval, guys, according to this article right here. So from Cointelegraph, Bitcoin traders see $48,000 BTC price before ETF. So this is actually possible if you're going to check out the chart. So based on this pattern here, our ideal breakout target will be at around $48,000 for this pattern. So that is why it is very important for us to keep an eye on this chart. And of course, let's wait for the confirmation. Again, $44,000 daily candle closing above $44,000 will be the signal for a further move to the upside. Right now, we are trading inside this ascending triangle pattern. So this will be the breakout target for this ascending triangle pattern, guys. 47,700 up to $48,000. So according to this article, Bitcoin traders see 48,000 BTC price before ETF, and ETF is expected to get approved by the first week or the second week of January, guys. So that will be like a month or a few weeks from now. A BTC price correction is less likely going into ETF decision, and I agree with that, because right now the narrative is about the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, and right now most of the retails are FOMOing into this kind of narrative, and I think there is still a chance that about the sell the news event. So BTC price correction is less likely going into the ETF decision, but such an event would be healthy for Bitcoin overall, analysis said. So if you're going to check the chart here, going back to the Bitcoin's chart, again, 48,000 is still possible, guys, and we are just a few percentage away from that level. That is just going to be 10%. And you know, Bitcoin moves like 17%, and Bitcoin had pumped already, guys, from the bottom, $16,000, and right now we are at $43,000, and in the coming months maybe we could hit the $48,000 for Bitcoin. So let's move on with the charts. The amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours, majority of longs are getting liquidated. I think these are the latecomers in the market. The FOMO traders are getting wrecked right now, guys. Majority of longs are getting liquidated. Almost $87 million has been liquidated in the past 24 hours overall. So our volume right now is pretty low, 87. This is usually around 114 to 115 million dollars. Majority of longs, or 57 or 54% from Binance, has been liquidated. 61% of long position from OKX has been liquidated. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this kind of content, smash the like button, and of course subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. If you are new, don't forget to smash that notification bell. And another one here, someone actually made $2 million by investing $450 into a meme coin, liquidation money going to memes on Solana, and also going to this guy. So a trader turns $450 into $2 million. So imagine investing $450. We're just losing this $450 in some crazy meme coin. But if you get lucky, guys, if you have invested into Avalanche meme coin Cog Inu, so according to this article from CoinDesk, a patent spotted on COQ shortly after its issuance has yielded a massive return of one on-chain trader. So this one, he made $2 million by investing $450,000 into a meme coin. So such thing could happen actually in crypto. And If you get lucky, then you can become a millionaire overnight. But most of the time, 90% of the time, if you are just going on a degen, then there is highly likely a higher chance that you will get your money liquidated rather than making it into $2 million. So we have also Marcelo joining us today, and XRP. XRP is really hard to trade right now. XRP is just going on sideways right now. Later, I'm gonna share with you some of the charts that I have prepared here. Saw the news for with dog. What? I'm not really into meme coins, and I'm not up to date with all these memes, guys. But if you can keep me posted, I could be a degen as well. I have made some profit on my trades doing leverage trading, so I can FOMO into some of the trades. Maybe I can put in $100 or $200 into some meme coins. Maybe we get lucky as well, same as this guy right here. The token is for entertainment purposes only. A fact that developers aren't shying away from. COQ is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or no expectation of financial return. So this is a real definition of a meme coin, because this cog is actually a meme coin with no intrinsic value, with no expectation, no financial return. It is a garbage meme coin, guys. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So he invested, according to this tweet right here, he invested 470. So you can check this actually on the blockchain, guys. And this is under AVAX blockchain. And he made 454. He bought $454, 4.86 trillion worth, or 4.86 trillion COQ token through 7 addresses, then sold at 4.6 trillion for 32,251 AVAX, or around $1.26 million, and 259 USDC, currently holding 250 billion COQ token worth $700,000. The profit is around 2.9 million. Crazy, guys. Saw the news about WIF. Started meme coin has one utility: create volume on chain. Meme coin has one utility: create volume. Yeah. I think meme coin is also one way of, like, most of the creators or influencers online right now are creating their own meme coin and making quick buck. So 90% you'll get wrecked, guys, by investing into this meme coin. But because of its Ponzi scheme style, the way to make money in Ponzi is to get in early. So if you have the chance to get in early into meme coins, into this kind of shit coins, then you'll get a chance to make money. But if you are late, if you FOMO, like right now, Bonk is already into around 1.5 billion market cap, and you FOMO into Bonk, then probably there is highly likely that you will get yourself wrecked. So let's move on to the next one. So I have prepared. Can you have a look at PROM? So I have prepared several charts here today, guys. So one is S&P 500. And there is a correlation in Bitcoin and, of course, S&P 500 right now. So if you're going to look at the daily time frame, I have discussed this previously, guys. This was the zone resistance that we are keeping an eye on for S&P 500. And yesterday, S&P 500 got rejected on the same level. And right now, again, by the way, before we proceed with all of these charts and TA, guys, all charts and TA in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So if you want financial advice, consult with your financial advisor. So S&P 500 SPX got rejected from the zone resistance, guys, and right now we are looking at this candlestick patterns. This is a 3 soldiers and 1 crow, guys. This is a possible reversal pattern for SPX or S&P 500. So this is going to be my trade setup here. 4% risk versus 6% reward. So if this could be the signal for a possible reversal, I am looking at this possible final target. Short term, we have actually a gap here. So this will be my final target at around 4415. And if S&P 500 gets rejected from this level and drop back to this area here, we might probably see Bitcoin revisit the 43,000 level for short term. But most of the altcoins or meme coins or any coins, 90% of the altcoins will be dragged when BTC make a correction. So keep an eye on this chart as well. And you can trade S&P 500 in BingX, guys. BingX, you can trade stock market, you can trade commodities, indices, cryptos in BingX. And right now they have an event, guys, and later I'm gonna share it with you. So if you are, majority are asking about what type of indicator I'm using in most of my charts. So I'm using Chart Prime, guys. Chart Prime. If you want to elevate your trading game, if you want to increase the potential of your winning trades, then you can head on to Chart Prime. So all of my charts here, I am using Chart Prime. This indicator right here is Prime Oscillator Pro. This is a paid indicator, guys. So Prime Oscillator Pro, you can see like divergence in here. You can spot overbought area, oversold area, and of course you can see change of character signal here, buy signal, sell signal. You can fine tune it using the setting in here, but I have turned it off majority of them because I prefer to use my own analysis in most of the charts. So majority, most of the time, I'm using this Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, and this order block levels is very, very important for me, guys. So what you can see here, we got a beautiful bounce and confluence, order block and confluence with the support trend line. Fit to high, AKT and P's for long term. Can you look at PROM? May I know your opinion on cake? It's from I'm Yen. All right, so let's proceed, guys. Let me just finish this and we'll proceed with Q&A. So again, Chart Prime is the oscillator or the indicator that I'm using in majority of my charts. And another chart that we have discussed yesterday, BNB, guys, is forming, or this is already a confirmed breakout here from the cup in handle pattern. So yesterday the price was hovering at around 255, and if you are in our Discord community, I have discussed the new entry today, and that was a beautiful trade.
Let's go!
So today we had actually a previous long position for BNB shared in our Discord community. I think it was around 241. So these are some of the trades here, guys. So today, this was my previous entry price for BNB, $254, and I'm expecting a $300 for BNB. If you have watched my previous video, $300 will be our final target for this trade. And here are some, guys. So I have shared new trade today in our Discord community. So if you have missed a previous long or closed a trade due to panic, here's a new entry. And this was a beautiful trade, guys, because this when I share this chart, the BNB's price is about to break the neckline. And if you are going to check it right now, we are above this neckline, guys. And if you're going to measure this length here from this cup, that will give us a $300 breakout target for this cup in handle pattern. So right now, don't FOMO into this trade. If you haven't watched my previous video, check it out. I have discussed this target when BNB was trading at around $255, guys. All right. So when BNB was, by the way, $240 when BNB was forming this handle pattern, 40 BNB where that is according to our El Capo of crypto.
I got a bad feeling about this.
All right. So probably going to hit 300 first before we hit $40. But I doubt it right now because market is just going crazy, guys. And we haven't hit the $12,000 BTC. And some, or 780,000 followers of Capo or El Capo is still waiting for $12,000 BTC. And we are already approaching, if you're going to check, guys, we are 113 days away from Bitcoin halving. And that means pump, guys. That means pump.
Let's go.
Going back, there will be a correction along the way, but we need to consider some of the supports and resistances along the way, because Bitcoin or majority of the charts are going to respect the supports and resistances along the way. We are not just going on a straight line, guys, and time is already limited. We are approaching the bull market. So here, one more trade is blurred. Blur, not blurred. Blur, guys. So blur, again, as what I've explained yesterday, I'm expecting a resistance on this level, guys. And I have already taken some profit on blur. If, let's keep an eye on the 4-hour candle closing above this level, guys, 0.54. That will be our confirmation for this next TP point, which is around 0.58. Right now, there is still a chance that Blur would revisit this previous resistance trend line, would probably retest this area right here at around 0.49 level. So for Bonk, Bonk is again forming a bull flag pattern here. Bull flag pattern. And bull flag pattern, breakout target, ideal breakout target, will give us 224%. And again, as what I've discussed previously, Bonk, guys, let me just share with you the market cap of Bonk. Because last time, I have received a comment that Bonk is not a micro cap. So if you're going to check the coin market cap, you'll actually see that Bonk was actually, the market cap of Bonk was actually less than $300,000 on November up to the first week of December, guys. If you're going to check it here, first week of December, Bonk market cap is still less than $300 million, and that is still a micro cap. And I think there is a huge chance that Bonk would actually drop back to this level because of the amount of liquidity in the market. The liquidity is around 300 million, or let's see, 300 guys, 300 million with a market cap of 1.2 billion. So if the whales holding Bonk are going to sell, this is going to move pretty fast, guys, pretty fast. So be careful if you're holding Bonk, and if you are in profit right now, take some profit, secure some profit. Not a financial advice, in my own opinion. take some profit because the volume or the liquidity is around 300 million, 350 million. The volume in 24 hours, in the past 24 hours, is around $300 million with a market cap of $1.2 billion. Let's move on to the next chart. So again, these are the results of the previous trade. And if you are in our free public Telegram group, I have shared this chart earlier, guys. You see, when BNB was trading at around $260, I have shared this one before the breakout. And right now, we are, and also S&P 500 chart. So these are some of the results, guys. We had ADA. I think we have missed ADA. So let's check ADA, guys. Let me just pull up ADA's chart very quickly here. Let me just update you with the so ADA's chart. This was the previous long, and right now we are still in profit. If you're holding ADA, this is we're looking at a possible rising wedge or an ascending triangle pattern. So breakout target remains the same, guys. We still have this very high OB at around 0.67 up to 0.68, and we have this order block acting as a support at around 0.56. This is around 1 million ADA on this level in confluence with the support trend line. So right now we are still in profit, guys, and here are just some. So we had ADA, Blur, BNB, and Ethereum. Congratulations, everyone. If you were able to get into these trades, guys, congratulations. And also, don't forget to support the channel. Hit that like, smash that like button. So moving on to BingX. Again, you can trade stocks, commodities, crypto in BingX, guys. And right now they have this complete the task to claim a guaranteed airdrop. So all you have to do is just to complete the task here. And some are pretty easy, guys. Complete your first spot, $200 USDT or more to get one entry. And here are some of the price. So you can get 500,000 sats, 2,000 rats. These are, I think these are, meme coins are trending right now in CoinMarketCap. Rats, 50 electrons. So these are the prices, guys. So guaranteed prices. All you have to do is just to create an account in BingX and to complete all this task here, and you'll get a chance to draw also one ETHs. It's not ETH, it's one ETHs. Also one ETH is here, guys. So you'll get a chance to for a draw, one draw. And of course, follow me on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with my latest trades and analysis. Majority of my trades and updates are posted on my Twitter account, guys. And if you want to copy my trade, head on to FairDesk. You can create an account in FairDesk and you can copy my trade. I am opening some of my trades there, but of course you need to check out my previous video explaining the possible risk of copy trading. And for Ethereum, again, I'm still holding my long position for Ethereum, guys. And Ethereum, again, this will be my breakout target for Ethereum. First target will be back to 2,300, and the ideal breakout target for this will be at around $2,400 for this falling wedge pattern. Right now, the price is trading in between this possible rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern, and there is still a chance that the price would bring us back to the bottom of the wedge, and that will give us $2,150 for Ethereum. But right now, the price is still trading above this 200 exponential moving average, and we are still in profit. So I'm just going to continue holding the trade right now, And let's hope for the best. Let's hope that BTC will consolidate or probably pump. Then we might see Ethereum rally into these levels here. Let's all hit like button, guys. Yeah, smash the like, guys. Smash the like button. Support the channel, guys.
Let's go!
All right, so before we end the stream, let me know if you have any chart requests. We are almost 32 minutes live, guys. So Solana, again, this will be the last chart. If you have any questions, let's proceed with the AMA and chart request. So for Solana, again, major pivot point will be around $118 short term. We got this price action yesterday, guys. So we got a retest. We did not even reach this support at 77. Right now, we are on our way to this 94 level, guys. Be careful in shorting the market right now because majority are FOMOing into the narrative of Bitcoin spot ETF approval, and that is going to happen on the probably first week of January. So we have a chart request from Fit to High, AKT, and PETH for long term. I think these are, let's check AKT. For majority of the altcoin, guys, you need to do a fundamental research because TA doesn't work most of the time, especially with micro caps or lower market capitalization altcoins. So for AKT, a cash network, I'm not familiar with this, but let's try to check the what we see on the chart. So on the weekly time frame, we have the support here. Lancelot, can you have a check at PROM? Let's check AKT, PETH, and PROM before we end this stream, guys. And of course, smash the like. So short-term support for a cash or AKT, guys, it is probably gonna retest medium term buy zone. And if you can wait, if you are patient enough, so wait for the price to this is going to be my long-term buy zone. So we still have this order block, guys. Order block 1.68 million. And it is likely we have several bearish divergence on the weekly time frame with AKT as well. So probably this is already overheating and it is due for a correction. And this looks like forming a rising wedge pattern in the weekly time frame. Or a rising broadening wedge, guys. Rising broadening wedge is a bearish pattern with the breakout target. The breakout target of this will be the bottom of the wedge, and that will give us back to 0.18 level. But of course, we have this support on the weekly time frame, 0.2, and that will be almost 89 or 90% correction. That will still be likely, guys. So our buy zone for AKT, in my own opinion, I would wait for this level here. This will be our first support, guys, to maintain the uptrend. So this will be our key support level, 0.69 up to 0.79. If you are patient enough to wait for the price to revisit the support trend line, so probably you can wait for around 0.6. But if you want to wait for the best entry, you can wait for the 0.28. But you can start to DCA. I would start to DCA probably near the support trend line at around 0.44 and would DCA more at around 0.23. So that will be my opinion for AKT. And let's check PETH. I'm just gonna use OKX chart. Oh my goodness, what is this kind of chart? Let's go check on coin market cap. Hey, hello, please do review for Gary token. I'm not familiar with most of this request, guys. Again, TA will probably not work with micro caps. So better check the fundamentals, check the white paper, check the background of the founders. That's probably your best bet if you want to degen into some of these altcoins. So PETH network. So let's check the overall time frame for this one. PETH, you can probably wait for the price to go and revisit the I think this is a pretty new coin, launch just November 2023. So for this one, wait for the major correction, guys, because there will be vesting period for the what do they call this, for the pre-sale. And of course, the price, majority of the time, let me explain it to you again. So majority of the time for the new tokens, this will be the price action. So first you would see a pump, and then probably slow move to the downside and consolidation. Once you see a consolidation, guys, that's the time where you can accumulate for long term if you really like the token or the crypto. So if you want to accumulate for long term, most of the time, in my own experience, new coins would pump initially. And that is why we have made previously 2,800% in T2 Launchpad, because we get in early. So if you can get early onto this meme coins, altcoins, then there is a chance that you can easily make 100%, 500%, up to several X's, guys. And again, wait for the consolidation, and then probably small rally once you see a breakout. So for this kind of coin, I will wait for the price to at least settle down and then accumulate for long term. So next is PROM. Getting started. Is it possible to check XPB? Oh my goodness, we have a lot of chart requests, and we are over time, 40 minutes. Gary is India's largest live streaming project with 100 million downloads in Apple Store and Google Store. Look there, project. Please give your thoughts on it. I think we're over time, guys, and we'll just check one last thing. As promised, we'll check PROM. Let me just check it using coin market cap. So PROM is market cap 98 million. So this is still considered as a micro cap. Again, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So for new coins, initially you will see a pump like this. Pump, and then slowly move to the downside, consolidation. Right now, PROM is a perfect example of a token, but you need to as well consider that the previous low is around 2.5 area. So it probably, if you can wait for the price to revisit, you can start to DCA. I would start to DCA at this level. And the best, so the initial price offering for this was around 0.36, guys. And the price have consolidated up to $2.53 area. So probably it's the best time to accumulate for long term for PROM. start to DCA, guys. DCA for long term. Probably we might see 18 back to 18, 11. 11 that will give us 2x from the current level. 18 that will give us 18 to $20. That will give us 4x from the current price level. But the previous all-time high of this was at $72, guys. So that will give us probably 10x or 20x, not mind check. All right, so that's for PROM, guys. I would start to DCA at 5.4 and probably gonna revisit around $3. This was the lowest here last 2022. So this was the previous pivot point. $3 area is a strong support for PROM. So that will be the range. $3 to $5 area will be my accumulation zone for long term. This is still a micro cap. The market capitalization right now is less than $100, guys. And let's check the market cap when it reached this level. So when it reached 71, the market cap reached almost near $1 billion, guys. 600 to 700 million dollars. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, click that notification bell, head on to Patreon if you want to join our Discord community, and that's it for now. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.